On Tuesday, the circulation over South Africa follows that of a ridging high as it pushes in moisture over the eastern part of the country, resulting in morning fog patches over the eastern interior, as well as some drizzle along the eastern escarpment. We also have an onshore component to the wind along much of South Africa's coastline, bringing in some cloud and the possibility of rainfall. We're expecting a cooler day on Tuesday over the far eastern part of the country due to that ridging high, but with daytime highs remaining warm over the central and northeastern part of the country, with a bit of cloud moving in from the west, and we can also still expect that rain along much of the western and eastern Cape coastline. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see that slight chance of drizzle along the eastern escarpment, with up to a 40% chance of rainfall along the KZN and eastern Cape coast, with a slight chance of rainfall over the southern parts of the western Cape, and a dry forecast for the rest of the interior. On our maximum temperature map, you'll see that daytime highs remain cool over the western and southern part of South Africa, with Cape Town and Springbok both topping 17 degrees, 14 for Sutherland and George, and into the upper teens for the eastern Cape. Warm though for Kimberley at 27, with a mild day for Pietermaritzburg and Durban. Pretoria tops 30 degrees, with a cooler day for Mbombela at 22. As we head out to the coast, you'll see a strong southerly to southeasterly wind for Alexander Bay, with poor beach conditions due to the windy weather, with a moderate beach day from Namaqualand through to Langebaan, with a southerly to southeasterly wind of between 30 and 35 kilometers per hour. Cool daytime highs here and a swell height of 3 meters along the west coast. In the southwest, we can expect a southeasterly wind as we head towards Cape Agulhas, picking up to fresh wind speeds there. 25 kilometers per hour for Cape Town, with a chance of rain for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas. And in the southwest, we can expect a 3-meter swell with wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. A light southwesterly wind is forecast along the coast between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, picking up to 20 kilometers per hour for Port Elizabeth, with a chance of rain along the south coast, with a 3.5-meter southerly open ocean swell and waves breaking between 5 and 6 feet. Along the east coast, you'll see the winds become more northerly as we head towards East London, and then northeasterly for Richards Bay, with a wind speed of up to 30 kilometers per hour. We're expecting cloudy weather and the chance of rain along the east coast, so poor beach conditions there, with a swell height of 2 meters and wave heights between 2 and 4 feet.
News that moves. eNCA.com.